Hello, my name is Sandra. In the exercise 7, the first is reading. Emotions are stakes and feelings and are often intense, last for only short time in a clearly directed aid are caused by someone on some circumstance. Positive emotions include choice, prayer, life, love, and compassion. We must share positive and choice to offer by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Minimal pairs: cat, bat, white, white, right, rat, kite, night, take, steak, cook, cut, pin, bin, till, peel, dish, fish, day, pay, dig, pig, del, belt, duck, back, date, bait, told, cold, tool, cool, tape, cape, tot, cut, town, gone, tie, guy, tap, gap, tall, girl, tack, gag, table, gable, thin, fin, tay, fail, tail, failed, ton, fun, thick, big. Intonation statements with one street. She works, she loves, stopped. Statements with two streets. Tom is reading, Mike is sleeping, the car stopped. The weather has changed. Stains with three streets. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The waiter is going to change. Statements with four streets. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with five streets. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special questions following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Feel interesting politeness reason intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where had you been? General question reason intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pet? May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question reason and following intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That questions following or reason intonation. You don't know 10 do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I should not do it, should it? Command falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself, asking for help. Request rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamation sentences. Falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. It's so happy. Dear Alex, recent intonation. Ella, can I help you? Can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumeration, recent intonation. Above bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need papers, pens, and pencils. Response. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't.